Digicel has just launched LTE in Samoa. Do you know what that means? Let's ask the people.
My Lord Joseph, lift the energy.
Love the lingy. Love the environment.
Lick the ice cream. Share the ice cream.
Daddy elephant.
Oh, that's cute.
And on your next fight, look the eyes. Yeah, and listen to ears, you know, for the...
Lifetime enemies. Hi.
And Lototele every day.
That's a good one. LTE means much more. It means world-class internet speeds. It means non-stop streaming. It means Samoan businesses can compete globally.
Good luck on your next fight, Jam.
Happiness is bringing LTE first to Samoa.